What is up, guys? Virtual Renegade here, and today I'm back with another video. So you've downloaded Clash of Clans, you're loading in hopefully to get your own account back. However, it's trying to start you off from over. Yeah, today I'm gonna help you guys out and see if you can get your old account back. First things first, though, you need to understand that you need to be signed into the Google account that had your Clash of Clans in the first place. Once you make sure that is a thing, then you're gonna go ahead and download Clash of Clans. The game's gonna load up. It's then you're gonna ask, make sure that you know that there's in-app purchases and what. You just can click OK, not a problem. This is gonna load you into the game. Once it loads you into the game, you notice you have a fresh account. The woman's gonna start talking to you, welcoming you, chief, and you have no resources. Your town hall is level 1, level 0. Yeah, it's basically gonna give you the tutorial. So the way around this, or the way to skip this and not go through all of that again, is to click the cogwheels on the top left, the settings bar where it says Google Play Sign In, where it says disconnected. You're gonna click on that. And then it's going to connect your Clash of Clans account to the Google Play account email that you've downloaded the Clash of Clans game from. Once you click that, it's then going to detect a previous village. It's going to ask you whether you want to load it or not. I decided to load it, and then it restarted my game. Once it restarted my game, it put me into like this weird take back the village thing. This only happened because I haven't been playing Clash of Clans for a while, and they basically say like they forgot you as chief or something like that. But not a problem. It's then going to tell you that you need to fight for your account back. There's no way to lose. You will get reinforcements the entire time, and you just have to like fight yourself basically to reclaim your village. So yeah, something hectic. You can't lose it. Something bad's gonna happen. You'll constantly get reinforcements as you can see on the top of the screen. But yeah, once this is complete, the account will be yours. You will be back into your old account with your old village. It's going to show you the new features the Clash of Clans has, however, so be prepared for that. There is a lot of new content that they came out with in the past year or two. I haven't played in a while. But yeah, hope this video helped you guys out, and I'll see you guys on the battlefield.